In this video, we'll show you how to run the cleaning cycle on your Barista Express or infuser. Check the indicated cleaning light on your unit. If your cleaning light has the words "Clean Me," a need for a cleaning cycle will be indicated when the light is illuminated. If your cleaning light has both the words "Clean" and "Descale," a need for a cleaning cycle will be indicated when the light is flashing. For this process, you'll need a bowl or container, the provided cleaning disc, the 1-cup dual-wall filter basket, and 1 cleaning tablet. Insert the 1-cup dual-wall basket into the portafilter. Insert the cleaning disc. Then place a cleaning tablet on top of the disc. Lock the portafilter into the group head. Then place a cup or bowl underneath. Let's activate the cleaning cycle. First, press the power button to turn your unit off. To then activate the cleaning cycle, press and hold the 1-cup and 2-cup button, then press and hold the power button for approximately 5 seconds. The unit will power on and the cleaning light will begin to flash. Allow approximately 5 minutes for the cleaning cycle to complete. During this time, the unit will dispense water intermittently from the group head. If your cleaning disc has a hole in the center, you'll see water intermittently flow from the group head. If your cleaning disc does not have a hole in the center, you may see little to no water flow from the group head. Once the cycle completes, the unit will return to ready mode with all lights on front illuminated solid. Remove and rinse the container and portafilter. You've now successfully completed the cleaning cycle on your Barista Express or infuser.